Hey, what's up guys? Luke Prophet. So today I get to finally talk about something that I've been working on sort of secretly for a while. This is the reason I haven't been posting as much. I've been working super hard to create the most complete, full dropshipping course that anybody has ever made. It's got over 13 hours of content and like 100 plus videos. I think it's like 100, 120, 150, I don't remember exactly. A freaking ton of them, and they took me forever to finish. But yeah, all the videos are finally done. The website's up. I've got a private Facebook group for anybody that joins. I'll put a link below the video. The first 10 people that sign up are gonna get 50% off. And yeah, it's gonna be great because, you know, all these other people have come up with dropshipping courses, but this one goes over everything. It goes over, you know, starting out, sort of the concepts, setting up your accounts in detailed walkthroughs for everything. It's got troubleshooting for all the common problems that people have. So if you caught this video early when they're less than, I don't know, a couple hundred views, then go ahead and click the link in the description and sign up, and you'll have a good shot at getting that 50% off discount. If not, I'm not planning on doing discounts in the future so much. So yeah, I hope it's helpful for you guys. It's like pretty much everything that I know put into an eBay dropshipping course. So it should be super, super helpful and valuable for you guys. And like I said, I'm gonna be around to answer questions and any of that kind of thing. All right, well, yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to let you guys know that that is out now and you can sign up for it if you'd like. And I'll see you guys with another video in a couple days.